Are you having trouble keeping your front lawn looking great through all the drought and chafer beetle? A great solution would be to convert it to a low maintenance lawn, and conifers are a great place to start. Over here we have Chamaecyparis Rimpelaar, only 1 foot by 1 foot, a beautiful steel blue, and you will never ever have to prune it. Next we have another Chamaecyparis, pisifera, Sungold. This one is a beautiful golden mop that will actually grow and cover its own feet over time. This cedar, called Primo, will grow up like a bonsai tree. 3 feet, you'll never have to prune it, and will always have these interesting textures on it. Over here we have one of my favorite junipers, Blue Star. No long arms, no pain in the neck. It just grows 2 inches a year up, 2 inches a year sideways, and looks great with that nice steel blue. And then we have a biota cedar, Oriental, egg-shaped. 3 feet tall. Again, light pruning will keep it in form, and it's a great accent piece for your garden. All these conifers are a great place for you to start to implement, and they're all low maintenance. They're all drought resistant once they're established.